What'd you guys catch your fish on?
Ace.
Ace, all ace, huh?
All day.
Great job.
Gambler Beach.
I should hope so. Which bait, dude?
Junebug Ace.
Junebug ace, that's pretty hot.
Caught them on stingers, and most of that thing we're using that little worm.
Paddle tail.
Oh, yeah. Old school, I like it.
Swim jig.
Swim jig, what was the trailer?
Little easy.
Little Easy?
That's Fat Ace, man.
That's Fat Ace. Where can they find you? Instagram, YouTube?
Hey, Mud City Angler, MCA Fishing on YouTube, Instagram, and Mud City Angler on Facebook, man. Y'all check me out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Burnicroft.
Burnicroft. Even that big guy right there? That's awesome.
Gambler Beach.
Wow, dude. Really? Wow.
The burn worm and the ugly otter.
Nice, dude.
Easy Swim Junior.
Easy Swim Junior. I like it. How about those? How'd you catch them?
Little
Fat Ace. Fat Ace.
Yeah, Fat Ace mainly. Bladed easy swimmer.
But does it?
like a swim bait
Does
hook,
it
yeah,
rig?
basically.
Yeah. Nicely done, guys.
Swim jig and worm.
Nicely done, dude.
White Gambler Swim Jig, man.
White Gambler Swim Jig. Very nice.
We caught them all.
Wow.
Back at your burner worm.
Cinco's.
Fat Ace.
Fat Ace.
Fat Ace. Awesome.
The Gambler Black and Blue Burner Worm.
Goat Swim Jig.
Oh, yes, I made that.
Big one came off of the stinger.
Stinger, nice.
Back at your stinger.
Ace, all aces.
All aces, I love it.
Fat Ace.
Fat Aces.
Dude,
Black
that's
and blue.
Big easy and easy swim jig.
Austin, what's your guide service?
BorderBassCharters.com.
Big Easy and a Fat Ace.
Junebug.
Burnicroft.
Wow, you guys are like connected, dude. I love it.
Gambler Fat Ace and a Gambler Easy Swimmer.
Jig. Gambler jig.
Burnicroft. Nicely done, guys.